Chances are the student finance you're entitled to won't cover all your living costs at uni. So here are 4 tips that could help boost your student budget. There are millions of pounds worth of scholarships and bursaries out there. They're given by universities, companies and charities for loads of reasons, from grades and achievements to personal circumstances. You just need to do your homework to see what's available. When looking for your student bank account, make sure you shop around. Student accounts come with valuable interest-free overdrafts, allowing you to borrow cash without paying interest for a limited period while you're still in education. And they come with all sorts of extras, such as travel and shopping discounts and cinema offers. Though don't be swayed by these perks alone. Pick the account with the right deal and top quality service. Working part-time during uni and over the holidays can be a nice little earner. Just be sure to leave enough time to fit in all your studying. Keep your eyes peeled for money-making opportunities around campus, such as paid research and tutoring. And it might be worth considering a working gap year. That way you can save up before heading to uni. Rent will generally take the biggest bite out of your student budget, so you might want to consider living at home and commuting to uni. Even if you pay your parents a little rent, it's probably going to be a fraction of what you would in halls or a private rental. Just keep in mind how this might affect your overall uni experience. For more uni finance advice and our student budget calculator, visit which.co.uk/student-finance.